Hello everybody, in this video we are going to talk about SPP Paper 2 2025. Yeah, makalaga itu. The question 11 is about coordinate geometry for chapter 7, a very simple chapter that consists of 4 main parts. And usually all the 4 main parts will be asked. Okay, however, this question a little bit challenging because it involves a little of trigonometry. Let's see together. Diagram 5 shows an isosceles triangle RST where RS equals to ST. RS equals to ST. And point M is the midpoint of RT. Point M is the midpoint of RT. It tells us that because these two, they are of the same length, and then point M is the midpoint, it means this one actually forms a 90 degree. Okay? It forms a 90. So, in another word, MS is perpendicular to RT. But A, given that the equation of the straight line MS is y minus x plus 2 equals to 0, find the value of k. Point S lies on this straight line. So you just substitute the value of y equals to 5 inside. You will get the value of x. This will be your x. K will be your value of x. Okay, let's see. So substitute this into the equation. I get k is equals to 7. So you may update your diagram. S is equals to 7, 5. Good. Let's look at my part 2. A part 2. Find the equation of the straight line MS. Passes through point. I want MS. Find the equation that is perpendicular to MS. Perpendicular? No, that is Solari. Solari will be parallel. This one, they miss out the question. So you look at the BM part. Solari dengan MS. So which means I want one equation that is parallel to MS and pass through point R. So I got one MS like this. I got this line. And when this straight line is parallel to MS, I move up and it passes through point. I want to find the equation of this blue color straight line. So the gradient for this blue color line will be the gradient straight line MS. I got two equations. I got 2 points. I can find the gradient of point M. Okay. After I got the point MS, I can apply this. But you may ask me, teacher, I don't know the coordinate of point R. My dear friend, you know the coordinate of point R because tangent 45 degree equals to 1. This is Cartesian plane. This will be 90 degree. Tangent 45 equals to 1. This area, this part, is 2. O over A equals to 1. This is 2. OR over 2 equals to 1. OR equals to 2. So the coordinate of R will be 0, 2. R will be 0, 2. So you can do already. Use MS, find gradient, and point R. However, please remember that when you are doing finding equation, don't use y equals to mx plus c. Use y minus y1 equals to gradient x minus x1. Okay, so this one teacher write in very detail. You can have a look and explain to you why the coordinate of point R is 0, 2. Okay, huh? And done. Now let's look at B part 1. It is given that RT is the diagonal of the parallelogram RTU. Now this one you cannot see, but me draw for you. Look here. RT is the diagonal of the parallelogram RST. And one more thing, this is the midpoint, which means if I can cut this into 4. These 4, they have the same area. Okay, 它的 area 是一样。Find the area of this parallelogram. Don't forget, we do not have the value of t. Then I mentioned to you, when I cut this like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, the area are the same. I have coordinate of R and S. Yes or no? So I can get the area of RMS, then I multiply it by 4. 我再乘4，因为它是 diagonal， 它切准准一半。Then 这一个它是 midpoint， 还有再切准准一半。Exactly half. Okay, now, and the thing that you have to pay attention to is the 1 mark is given to this line, but not shoelace. 可以哈，是给 this line 的。And modulus will make any negative value positive. Okay, B part 1 settle. Let's go B part 2. Find the, point K. 哎呀，对不起了 ，forget to change the question. Point K moves such that its distance from point S, so I have KS, is always 4/3 times its distance from point R. KS equals to 4/3 KR. It is a moving point, so I have to let my point K be X and Y. Locus, we use distance formula. After that, you write out this. When you solve, remember when you square this 4/3, you have to square. Okay? You have to square. Next, you do your basic algebra, and please arrange your answer in ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals to 0 in this pattern. And yeah, you are done. So this is my Form 4 Chapter 7 SBP 2025 Paper 2 Question 11. Thank you.